Right, unless Charles has driven or Brenda has driven.
Do you want to do that thing with the door?
Yeah, can do.
If I get stuck, that's last.
And that might be something that's in his
What's that? Flexes the back.
What I need to try is get rid of these. You know, these bulges in it. So it should, when that's welded up and back in, it'll pull it in. So once those fatigue cracks appear, you lose the strength of the wing.
Oh yeah, it's gone on that.
It's just.
Are they aluminium or steel?
They're steel.
They're steel.
I hope.
Can we do something with these?
Well, they're going back
Aluminium on
on.
the bottom.
Yeah,
They're going back on, but
up.
tidy them up.
Clean
Whatever,
them
polish them up. You said.
Tidy him up. Maybe get a few dents out.
Right, to do that with rebody. Rebody off, new body.
But you know, there's some good points to her. That's all solid and done, and the floor underneath there is all solid and done.
It's still a fabulous little car. Yeah. They lifted the wallet and emptied it and put it back into it. Just keep it, don't leave it anyway. All in the back of there. All this is new, all this wood at the bottom here.
Give me a hand, give me some instruction. Or...
No, I just gave me the wood. Sandy's actually really enjoying himself. Made a new end.
Yeah.
And for there.
That instantly seems perfect.
When it bolts through there as it should do.
That seems
It's
superb.
steel onto aluminium, it's bonded and riveted.
Right.
It'll all disappear. Most of the inside of that arch is done.
Gosh.
But it's got a bit ropey around here.
Right.
In fact, it got a lot ropey around here. It's all on there. It's just full of woodworm and dry
Is it?
rot.
God,
It's
is
just
it?
dry rot.
Good
Yeah.
God, what? I knew it was bad.
That's the lowest sill, and
God,
that's the upper part of the sill, and that's the lower, I think, and that's the floor.
No.
So I went and got some more.
Yeah,
wood
because
off
that's
him.
for the seat.
That's for the seat,
Yeah, it
isn't it?
is. That's the.
So
Might
what?
have to take this to Haworth Timber and get it cut
That way.
that way, so we can make an ash board for it. So we should have enough there. But what's there and left down there in the bits to finish it, hopefully.
Right.
Crikey.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, this was the pillar when Joe first got it. This was the pillar that was like non-existent.
Right.
That he had built
Yeah.
back up, which would imply that's the same. It probably would have gone further down.
Yeah, we can see those are the original repairs that are still good.
Right.
I didn't move anything
Jim
too
must
much.
have done that.
No, I think no.
Oh, did that chap?
Joe had a cabinet maker do some work on it when
Yeah.
he first got it.
But he's really enjoying doing it. And
Is
those are your new arches that he's made. In his, that's that one. That one's
God,
in.
they look good. They look.
Well, the old ones were
fantastic.
rotten. They were full of holes.
They're
And they weren't attached. They were hardly attached.
God.
They're perfectly acceptable.
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah, believe it or not. Yeah. Yeah, they're fine.
Good.
Are they
Really good condition.
aluminium though?
Yeah, they're just thin rolled and wheeled aluminium.
God, what a
What
job.
we're going to do with this is make a steel plate. That goes, we're going to see what the wood's like and make a steel plate that goes round and under and round and brace all this up.
Right.
Because it's
And
just...
then cover it with fabric.
And then cover it with fabric.
He rang up obviously after pertinent questions because the guy who had this before he died,
This is beautiful.
Can you email me that picture?
Yeah.
So,
He's put a shine. I think he's done shining. You're getting sort of bling. I think like the bling. That's why I think he used the aluminium.
This is new.
interesting numbers on the back of your old door, so it's 107
Yes.
It's all done.
It's
Remember how
solid.
loose it was?
I do remember how loose it was.
Well, you told we couldn't lean on there, could we?
No, couldn't move.
We might end up cutting some metal out of there and letting some aluminium in to get rid of these cracks now that we've got the TIG.
Right.
Right.
That'll be
okay.
good.
You said otherwise you were going to use a
We-
fiberglass.
Yeah, we're not going to do that.
Right.
We're not going to do that at all. We're going to do it properly. See that there? We made that yesterday,
Oh God, really?
and then he made that arch there and welded it in.
Good God.
Got the ladder, Sandy.
It's amazing. What?
Sky will pink with yellow dots on if you want.
Have what?
I was just thinking the white one.
Gosh, they are full of filler, aren't they? Gosh, there's a lot of filler on it.
They were just tired.
The struts was bent when we got them.
Right.
Didn't you spray?
And I think we're going to put some. We're going to make a space for the bumper bracket is squashed against the wing. Because remember, it were all bent. All the front were bent.
Yeah.
So that it's now spaced out so that the wire misses the body. You know, this rolled edge misses the body. So the wing is spaced out. So we're going to put a spacer on the outside of the wing, so that when the bumper bracket is crushed up against it, it's not going to damage the wing.
Right.
Because they were straight onto the wing with the bumper brackets.
God, will they? All right. The doors, I bet the doors are so light. I can tell the doors are so light.
Well, it's the glass and the frames.
But even so, I bet there's a load of filler in it.
These have obviously always been like that, and they must have had sealer in.
Yeah.
But they've had filler in.
Yeah.
So I've taken it all out.
Yeah.
Clean, because this back of this panel is etch primed, cleaned and etch primed. So I'm gonna sealer these up so it doesn't crack again.
Right.
And you see these
With a flexible sort of thing.
point come up with these.
Yeah.
I'm going to put a tiny seam in these.
Are you?
You know, an hacksaw blade thick
Right.
seam, and sealer them.
So they won't crack.
So
Or hopefully they won't.
Hopefully they won't crack. Again.
Excellent.
Gearbox tunnel. I mean that gearbox tunnel was 20 gauge, and it was cracked. It was cracked up here,
Was it?
and it had a pop riveted panel down there, but it was rotten all the way around the edges. And I looked at it, thinking, how am I going to repair this? And then like answered, can't we just make a new one? Yeah. I mean, it's not even fastened in. It's not even fastened in.
Oh God.
And
And
it
it's-
don't move.
This is TIG welded, is it?
Yeah,
Then?
this is TIG welding.
And that'll just be perfect. That'll sand perfect. You won't see it. It'll be magic.